YouTube, welcome back to the vlogs. And right now people, we're in downtown Ajax. People, again, my camera not really too good, but we still are going to some content. Alright, well people, so right now we're in downtown Ajax. I mean, I'm going to walk through downtown Ajax, I'm going to see how downtown Ajax look, and also the homeless crisis that's been going on in Southside downtown Ajax. Of what really are going, and like the homeless thing really are kicking in on my people. So all I know who just live overseas and just want to come a foreign, I'm going to show you how foreign is right now. And this is downtown Ajax. If anybody know about Ajax and know about Ajax, so I'm going to walk through around the area. I'm going to see how the place are going and how are going in the area them. You understand? So we'll do a one quick walk through. I think right now we are the Salvation Army area or something like that. I'm turning on the camera so you can see a whole heap of like them and give away food and stuff like that to the homeless people. And I'm tell you something, my people. All I know out there who think foreign or these foreign countries are better roads and over Jamaica or the Caribbean country not like to work. I'm showing my people. This what people have to live through right now. Yeah? These people are live through. People are homeless and they need food and everything. The hard life over here people are living. I don't want to take nobody from camera. And I don't know my things set already. But hard life people are live. Watch out. People are live out of them carts and stuff, my people. For sure, you know. People are live out of, bare clothes and stuff. And stuff like that around here, and a whole heap of them just upon drugs, because when your head get licked, my people, your head get licked. Your head chip out over here, my people, because when you have so much bills to pay and this to pay, remember, this place, this place is a machine, my people. This country is a machine. You understand? This country, I don't know, for loafers, for freeloaders. Yeah, man, because welfare now get enough money to pay for the apartments them now. Remember me tell you that housing, you can probably barely find a 1-2 housing ever right now. No housing not they like how housing used to be back 20 years ago or 10-15 years ago. You know long my family, my mother tell me say she's down for the list of housing over 10 years, she still never get it. Remember me tell you that housing thing no easy to get. My virgin our day and call me and say him finally get a housing. He finally get a one place. You know which part of money there before that? Homeless shelter. But him lazy to him now want work also. But everything, bro. So it not easy. And who are there the man say him finally get a spot. Watch out my people. To show you how the people them live. So the place look out. Just remember this is downtown Ajax, And if you think I just Ajax alone, my people, no, wait until I show you guys downtown Toronto homeless crisis, and you will see the difference. Remember, I tell you that. Remember, Ajax is just a local city, getting developed right now. Remember, 10 years back, could I buy a property over Ajax for 350,000 of one of the townhouse, them a nice one, them and just that build up. You know how much that same townhouse now my friend did buy? Right now about $800,000-$900,000. Probably almost $1 million for that same townhouse right now. And remember, minimum wage in Canada right now, I think it just reached $16 or $17 an hour. So you multiply that for 40 hours a week, and you times that for the month, and you see how much you get, and you take out your tax. Rent over, remember the people that rent basement in Ajax now, for $1,000, And some people want more than that now, I think my brother there rent man about $1,700 for 1 2-bedroom basement in Ajax. So imagine downtown Ajax right now. Cause right now we're at downtown Ajax. I'm gonna show you guys how the area look. Just gonna do one full sweep and show you guys how the property them look and how them are developed over here, so. And go on. Alright. And again now, for you, again my people, so thanks for liking, sharing. If you guys are new to the channel, I go around Toronto, just say the GTA, show different parts, different lifestyle. I show the gangster neighborhoods, I show the rich neighborhood, I show Drake's house, I show where Prince used to live in Toronto, and I'm gonna do a lot more places that the wealthy, rich people them live and stuff like that. Alright, my people. And also I do a lot of gangs videos, hood videos, but not no gang videos, but hood videos. I've shown different gang neighborhoods. I don't show people up in my camera and stuff like that. No, we don't do them work there. Alright, we also show the home videos in Jamaica of building my Airbnb, a dream house, still I build it. We're on the journey with people. And also we show a lot of videos in Jamaica. We show the rivers, the sea, the parks, and we probably show a couple of ghettos too also, and do a lot of walk by videos in certain neighborhoods also, when you can check out. Alright, my people. But right now we're back in Canada, so we're gonna do the Canada side of it. Alright, my people. So I hope everybody enjoy the content. Like, share, subscribe. Right now we are Ajax downtown. You can see a whole heap of people. We're just homeless right now. You find this brother right there, so. I'm head gone. My people. You alright, my brother? You okay? Alright. You see, him head gone, him chip out right now, my people. And I don't know what caused it over here. Because all of a sudden I start come back over Ajax. I start see a lot of homeless people. And look at the area. The area very new developed area right now still, you know. Yeah, it's been like this a long time, I'm not gonna lie. But the homeless crisis just started over this side of the area. Cause I never used to see homeless people, them just a chill out. You understand? Them they everywhere on the streets over here right now. Everywhere. People, my foot are hot, me see. I've been walking. Yeah. But we just are showing on the area and my people. This is downtown Ajax. Anybody who want to move over to Ajax side and want to see this area, here we go. And again, you know, some love to walk and talk and show while we are doing things. Because my channel is different, you know. We don't really follow and copy people. We just do our own thing. I walk on the street side, see if we can see a couple more homeless people out there and stuff like that. Because like me, some people, they just get started up just too much. Too much homeless people that's the outside and now. And we don't know what cause it. And I like me don't know if I not job them people, I don't know why my foot out me so, you know. And I'm in the left foot just like kill me right now. See a next cat there. This is a next cat right there, so a next homeless person that right there, so my people. Just to show you, you know. A lot of them just don't need the bus stop. A lot of them probably try to get help. And I just don't know what I go on though. Yeah, next homeless cat right here, so. Yeah, man. So a lot of you know who I try to come and foreign my people. Tell you something over here says not no better roads no more. Them better roads days they're done. Let me tell you that nobody not try to keep you in them house too long if you not contribute. Remember me tell you that nobody not waste them light and water upon you. Remember me tell you that nobody not waste them space and come in come see you evening time and you not go out there go push out here. Nobody not then continue for your something for a certain time. Them say you not help yourself. You have to go. You understand? I just saw his thing set, you see it? You're not pretty over there no more, man, my people. It's not normal. At least Canada more upon the helpful side. If you go homeless and stuff like that, them try to help you as much as possible. And if you're a female now with kids, them put you in a home and shelter very fast. When you're there shelter, them try to get you a place really quick. You understand? You put you in a homes or housing very fast. Then them even try to help you to go back to school also. Put you back on your foot very very fast also. So at least Canada do that for the people them. Jamaica I don't know. If you're homeless, them just call your mother, you try to kick it with two friends until them push you out. And I just the vibes is different. The place over here, so them help you more at the end of the day. You understand? But you just go walk and talk and can't go and hear me and view the place. You understand? So over there now in the Caribbean, think you can come my people and come to Canada, America, England, and come sit down and do and work. And take it out on the head. And for Jamaica, I say Jamaica hard. And let me tell you something, you don't know hard until you come here. Someone who don't want to get up a morning time and go work, or don't want to go have people work and just be lazy. And people are not no time for here. And money the country say. Then people are not around for fire people just like that. Oh, you not perform well, alright. Jamaica him. Let's bring in someone else. Tell us that this place is a machine place. Them no care, they have no feelings. Remember what day me get sick in my people. And the next day the boss message me, and man not even ask, hey Jay, you good? You think you can coming back for work one of these days? What did the doctor say? Nothing. Man no care. Yo, when you come, yo, can you work tomorrow? That's it. Me say, you know, so the doctor said me have to take. Alright, just let us know when you can come back. 2 days after the weekend done, man me say me, oh, could you come in for Monday for work? The man not even ask, yo Jay, you good? What did the doctor say? Remember, you know, feed him, me have to pull off a road, you know. Because me get a panic attack or I can't remember what it name, you know. Right? And the doctor say, oh, you have to just take some time off work. I'm going to explain that to the man them, you know. The man them system is sick, you know. The man them don't care if you're sick, well or not. From you have strength in your body and you can work, the man them want you out there for work. No matter what, and plus when them look for people and can't find people for their job, yeah. Because they can't find drivers. They make it all worse. Because the truck them is down a yard and they can't make no money. Yeah man, for the type of job we do. But people, check this place out now. This are the new condo them where them build up. I think them are condo and apartments. It's renting and stuff like that. It's called the Pat Bailey Square. So I'm going to go check it out right now, you know, peeps. I never really walk over here say yet, you know. Never been over here yet. So I'm going to go check it out. So this is one of the places I want to show you also. People, I say my foot hot me, see. My foot hot me. I go show you also some of the new condo them when them start blow up over here. Also them they probably sell out already. But check it out, my people. Not a bad place to come and sit down and vibe out to, you know. But this is downtown Ajax. And I'm going to try to make you look, you know, up. So, you can check it out. Let's see if I can get a thumbnail right here, so. Yeah man, what people, see if we can get a thumbnail. Ajax. That, right? So yeah man, what people, so right now we're downtown Ajax. These are some of the new building them where them put up. Them have a local water fountain features right here also. And over there it's I think that one is an apartment building and the next apartment building, and then over there you also have a hospital also down there. But we not really walk down this, and you can see right there. So now them build up a next apartment building or a next condo and a next one. I mean, most of them probably sell out already because a lot of places don't have places to live. Alright, them have places for rent. So a lot of people them just want a place, and a lot of people are move out of Toronto, come a Pickering Ajax side. Wait, them been coming to Pickering Ajax side for years now. Now you can't even afford an apartment, a condo in Pickering or Ajax with my salary. For just to show you that my local trucking job can't afford that. Me have to go get a girl, me and her have to go put together, or me and some brethren have to put together just to get a spot to live in the GTA. Unless, like my brethren have to do, you have to move all the way about 2.5 hours from Toronto. Must one place the name Simcoe. We are out east or Colberg. We are out east. Every time I always tell me to come up there. Me can't drive 2.5 hours to come up there say every time. I mean I must say one time alone. I get time for go over this. So. One time my people. 2.5 hours, you know? 2.5 hours. The dog live. 2.5 hours. So if I'm not gonna try to get places now, Ajax developed to a point. It's not that developed like me that I say. Like you're not even 5% developed, yeah man. But the space them, but them need to develop. I think them make too much housing and them not have too much skyscraper over here, so that's our next problem. And I'm not even sure the Kingston, so if you know I'm really going to next, the Kingston side of it, like the Kingston Road side, them call it Highway 2 or something like that. Up on this, it's a big building, them a building of my people, look upon that. It's a massive building, them a build, man, massive people, check it out. Massive building that them a build, my people. But right now we are at the Baywood. Right now we are at the Baywood Center. You can't see because the camera not work too good, my people. And we just show you this is the next plaza. Right now, also, when you can come and chill out and hang out. Like I said, people have all of the local food store, them local fast food restaurants, them, all of them are over here. Every single one of them over here. Alright, so you don't have to make 2 and 2. You just make 3 and 3, and you know you make 6, and everything is here for you. If you burn weed, you have your weed store there. You have your known fruits, you have your LCBO, you have your beer store on the next side. Everything in this area. So if you live in that area right, so it's just a stone distance away for come outside and go to any food store in the winter time. You just leave your yard for 5-minute walk and go buy what you want to buy. A lot of different food options. Italian, Chinese, Mary Brown's, Vietnamese, Jamaican. No, I don't think a Jamaican restaurant named Barrels, but that's about 5-10 minutes drive away. But other than from that, they probably need to have a Jamaican spot or a Caribbean food place over here at the end of the day. But hospital, 5-minute walk to the 10-minute walk to the hospital, just walking. Yeah, Ajax Hospital right down there. So you have everything over here what can make you be happy or comfortable with life. But for buy one of them, you know, one of them apartment me that talk about, you know. 10 years ago my friend buy one. He buy for what? $350,000. About 15 years or 10 years now. $350,000 about 10 years ago. Right now, them can sell it for at least $800,000 or $900,000 because of all the development of the community, rise and the inflation and everything gone up and stuff. I'm almost done pay off them property already. So that's a good look. So again, my generation now, we're not gonna really see that. And I see somebody in a comment and say, why you never just go buy a detached house? I'm telling you something. When I think it's easy for just save money in other place and just have money sit down, if you just can go buy a house in Jamaica. Jamaica is moving like foreign. Alright, you know, see the prices them now. If you have one house in Jamaica now, you think you can go buy a house for $20 million again in Jamaica? And yes, you can buy. You go buy one fixer-upper, or you go buy one place in the ghetto, or semi-ghetto. And you're not going to have too much land space. And then now go up to date. So yes, you can buy a house for $20 million. You're not gonna like it. And you have to really try your best to pick and choose to find a house for $20 million Jamaican. And I know a lot of people just have $20 million or $30 million or $40 million just sit down so. You know, see the new apartment when they build. They might sell them for 100 and I see a house, a 3-bedroom house. So I'll be comparable to what me I build. You know how much I must sell that for? $750,000 US dollars. That I think the location there out of Barbican. So I don't know if the location they must sell or what. But the house look fairly nice. But you can see the houses look a bit old though at the end of the day. But other than from that, those are the prices. $111 million Jamaican the house come up to. You think people just have $111 million Jamaican? Just sit down so. Normal people. Me talk regular class, working class people. We just depend on the minimum, middle class. You think middle class people just have money, just sit down so? We can just go buy a place? Let me tell you something again. Me never want do no bank loans. Let me tell you something. These banks are crooks. See my lady come out yesterday, me I watch a video. She said she buy a car from Honda. And the car was $3 million. And by the time Scotiabank had feed them up on them interest and this and that, the car come up to $7.5 million. Imagine you buy a house for $50 million. By the time you don't pay for that, you probably spend double or double point hard just for that same house. That's why I'm always recommending a lot of people not take no time and build local by local. Yes, it's hard. Look how me stress out and go through pain. But if you live in Jamaica, you not go through the same stress. If you live overseas, you don't have to go through the stress, you know. You take time off work and you go back home. Or like me, winter time you have to start take off. I mean, I go back now no more salt truck. No, sir. Because salt truck job you have to depend on call 24/7. Midnight night again this year. Them things that work stress on your head. And I'm not doing it this year because like me say, work people don't care. You're just a number to 99% of these facility or corporation jobs. Them not really care about your physique. Them not really care about your mental stress. Them not care about your health. Them just want you to come out of work and them make money and you make a look of dividends on it. And that is it. And that's all enough to take it or leave it. Why you think so much people are homeless? If some of them can get job, you know. But some of them mentally fucking frustrated. Sorry for the swear word. But yes, some people just mentally frustrated and can't bother with it no more. So, and a lot of people have millions of dollars just sit down. So, and a lot of people born with gold spoon. A lot of us out here are trying our best for your work. For say, you know, we have try to come back to Jamaica and build local by local. You know, since I not really run down Canada or foreign no more. I not even got a party like that no more over here. So, because over here so not fun. A Jamaica more for the back. Yeah, man. I want the back in my yard. I want to build up my yard for my comfort. I don't want to go sit down at Jamaica and because I don't have no comfort at my house. I have to go eat up a bar and a drink or I play domino a bar. No, I invite friends over my yard. We vibe out at my yard. Because Jamaica is not like how it used to be. When you can sit down at a bar with two of your virgin them and play two domino. No, too much drive by go on. So I try to fix up my property to the best of your ability. For say, you know what, everything that is for my comfort. Or if I want to jump in my car, I jump in my car, go on a beach or go a river, go catch fish or whatever. I go do some YouTube vlog down the road and thing. But right now, my people, I walk over this area because I want to show you the new apartments them where them start build up now. So these are freshly new apartments. Them not even see the area is not even finished yet. And I guarantee you, these places are probably going for $1 million. And I can't see somebody more ask them. So I not a mistake. Blinds and shutter. I want to see somebody. Let's see. Oh, me gonna be happy. I can't even bang down my door. Why me have sex all too loud in my house? The neighbors I'm go here just at the apartment we live in. And them things I don't want to run. This is the lifestyle me see them are doing in Jamaica too right now. You know. I build up be a townhouses right by next each. What you think more I live like this? It's like prison, you know. Why am I want to live like this, my people? Don't tell me this now. Go walk around next year so you see some construction stuff. Why me want to live like this, my people? Don't tell me that now. Me live like this a foreign already. I'm if I go back to Jamaica go buy something like this, each up beside somebody. No man, me alright. Me remember somebody say, oh your place look lonely. Me say me happy because you know what? I can get up 5 o'clock in the morning and play my music loud outside and don't disturb nobody. And I vibe out on top of my rooftop or down at the or in anywhere over my yard and enjoy myself. Get up and drink my ginger tea or my Cersei tea or whatever tea and walk around. Go pick 2 mango, pick 2 pear. Yes, that's the life. Over here, so you can't do them vibes, yeah, man. So me now go, I don't like me a bash Canada or bash nothing, you know. Just look at me just start this, call this place. See when them call it, say, the farmers, them come up and farm work. Me look at myself as a farmer because me a farmer over here, so too. If you build up over here, so I mean I help myself. So I'm just as a farm worker. And all the way over here, all the immigrants over here are all farm workers. And that's how me start look upon it. Farm worker come here, come work for 8 months and go back home. Me start look upon my life that me I work for 6 months or 8 months and go back home too. Yeah, man. Me are just like the farm worker them now. Although me live here for years on top of years on top of years. Me a farm worker. My brother, quick question. Do you know how much these condos are going for now? Like, you know how much you think they might be going for? Like $1 million?
Yeah, more than that maybe.
More?
It's expensive here, man.
Holy crap. More than $1 million?
Probably $1 million, man, to be honest with you.
So I can't afford this shit then. Yeah, it's too and our little wages these days nah add up. Alright, daddy, blessings here. You hear the guy said almost $1 million or over $1 million for one of these properties to each up beside somebody else. You play your music too loud, police come for you. Start knock your door. Hey. Could you turn down that for me, please? What kind of life is this? No, sir. No. And the same thing them do with the gated communities. You're not gonna have no fun in the gated communities. Remember me tell you that, yes, it's safe everywhere in Jamaica is safe. Remember me tell you that. Everywhere in Jamaica is safe. Stop going at people's business. Stop dealing with fake people. And do your thing. Not tell people your business. And enjoy life. Yeah. If you see war go on, if you can leave the community today until the war done, because you don't want to stray, not drive by or not mix up, catch you. I live in a central village all my youth life, and that's how we maintain and that's how we live. My brother, father, everybody, family. Yes. If you mix with roaches will follow you. So you don't mix up with people, my people. See you with family, you don't mix up. Your family are corrupt, you stay away from them. You understand? So people, we are come to the ending of the vlog right now, my people. Yeah, man, we are come to the ending right now because I think about half an hour that I walk in Magono and I'm showing you guys the area and I talk. Yeah, man. Now, a long time I don't go in the vlog video, and every time I come at Ajax from last week, I say, I want to catch over here for sure, you know. Yeah, man. So, that's how the place is over Ajax. This is downtown Ajax. You have north side Ajax also. This is the south side. But at this them call the downtown. I don't think the downtown part of pop like the north side. We have the movie theaters, the Kelsey's, the Max's, the Red Lobster, the Boujan, you understand? The Home Depot, the Best Buy, all of them stuff there on the next side, the Walmart. There's nothing over this side, so over here so it's more for family and it's more family orientated. And you also, if you guys want to see, I'm gonna do a next vlog over here also. I'm gonna go down by the I'm gonna go show you guys Ajax Beach and Pickering Beach also for our next vlog. The next time I'm back in Ajax, probably try to come over a little bit earlier time and show you guys the Ajax and Pickering Beach. Cause I don't know, say me are the beach boss, you know. Like a nature me show up on the channel also. We're not trying to show negativity, more positive. Alright my people, so again my people, please like, share, subscribe, comment if you like the video, share it with your friends and family. If you want to come over Ajax and that. Everybody bless up yourself.